Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Grayscale staked $150 million worth of Ether after introducing staking for its ETPs. The asset management company staked 32,000 Ether. The move enables Grayscale's ETP and its shareholders to start earning passive income via staking rewards. Dell nearly doubled its annual profit growth target for the next 4 years, betting on robust demand for its servers that power artificial intelligence workloads. The company lifted its expectations for annual growth in adjusted earnings per share to at least 15% from around 8%. Oil prices steadied as investors weighed a smaller than expected increase to OPEC Plus output in November against signs of a potential supply glut. OPEC Plus decided to increase collective oil production by 137,000 barrels per day, starting in November.
The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.